Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cute little mushroom applique. It's just a couple of inches tall, barely, and it would make a great addition to all kinds of projects. To get started, let me show you what you need. Here I have two different yarns by Paintbox. Obviously, I've been using them. And the first one that is this beautiful pink color is the Paintbox Cotton Aran. This is in vintage pink. And the other yarn that I have is the Paintbox Recycled Cotton Worsted. This is the string color. And we use both of them in this pattern. And they're both really more of a worsted weight. This one is called a worsted weight. This one is called an Aran weight, but the Paintbox Cotton Aran is really more like a worsted in my opinion. So those are the yarns we're going to be using. And then we're going to use a G 4mm hook. So to get started, we do need the mushroom color. All right, so in your mushroom color, you're going to chain 2. For row number 1, we're going to work everything into the second chain from our hook, and we are going to do 5 single crochets, all into this one stitch. Okay, so this is what it should look like so far. It almost looks like a half circle. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. This part gets a little bit tricky because of the color changes, but just stick with me. Our very first stitch is in the mushroom color. We're going to single crochet, but then we switch to the color of our dots and our stems. Let me find the end. So the way that I am doing this is more of a tapestry crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the color right here. Kind of adjust that. And then in the next stitch, I'm creating a small bobble. And to do this, I'm working 3 single crochets in this color. And then let me go ahead and, so after you have your 3 single crochets in this color, you're going to work into the back here and carefully pick up your loop and draw it through. Now we're going to switch back to the pink color. And so I'm going to keep this white yarn in the middle, and using the pink yarn, I'm going to chain and single crochet in the next stitch. But again, the very next stitch is going to be a bobble again. So I'm going to go ahead and switch my colors right here. And then again, in this stitch, create your bobble. Carefully pull that through, and then switch back to pink, chain 1, and work into the very last stitch. All right, that's row number 2. Now we're going to chain 2 and turn. We're going to do this entire row in half double crochet, and I'm going to carry my white yarn across the entire row. Half double crochet in the first stitch, in the chain space, in the top of the bobble, in the next stitch, which is pink, into the chain space again, which this is really not much of a space, but it's where we have our extra chain. Single crochet into half double crochet into the top of the bobble. And then to finish the row, put 2 half double crochets in that very last stitch. So this row should have 8 stitches altogether. Okay, now we're going to want to chain 1 and turn again. For row number 4, once again, we're going to single crochet in the first stitch, and we should have our white yarn right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make the color change. Just like that. In the next stitch, I'm going to work a bobble. Okay, switch back to the pink, chain 1, and single crochet. We've got to switch back to our white right away to make that color change. And we're going to repeat that a couple more times. So create a bobble, switch back to pink for the chain and the single crochet, and then making another bobble. We're doing 2 more bobbles here. All right, and then we actually have 1 more stitch here to do a single crochet in. Alrighty. Now for your very last row, you don't need to carry the white. So I'm going to go ahead and trim that off. Now I'll weave that in. And instead, I'm going to just chain 2 and turn. And we're going to do 12 half double crochets total. The first 2 stitches in the chain space here, into the tops of the bobbles, just everywhere we did it before. And then in the very last stitch of this row, again, we're going to half double crochet 2. All right, here's where we're doing our 2 half double crochets in 1 stitch. I'm going to turn it over. Should look like a little mushroom. All right, now we can bind this off and go back to using our white for just our stem. Now we're going to very simply center our stem on our bottom stitches. We have 12 stitches and our stem is 4 stitches wide. So we're just going to skip 4 stitches, single crochet for 4 stitches with our stump, and then on the other side we'll be left with 4 stitches as well. So let me get this little guy, and 1, 2, 3, 4, we're gonna start right here. So what I like to do is create my slip knot first for this, and then go right in to doing single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm just going to turn and do it again for row 2. No turning chain or anything. If you want to do a turning chain of 1, you can. All right, and for row 3, do it 1 more time. Our stem just has 3 little rows. Okay. Very nice. We're all done. All you need to do is weave in your ends and you'll be left with your cute little applique. Thanks so much for joining me for this project. I hope you've enjoyed it.